Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install APK files, application files on Android. Install third-party apps. So in case you already downloaded a APK or application, not from Play Store, maybe you have other source like from the internet. So you want to install the files without Play Store, without using Play Store. You can do it by tap the setting button first. Try to search the permission. You can tap install and try to search unknown source installations. You can tap it and try to search file manager or file by Google. Switch this on. Allow files by Google to install apps. Allow, and go to the home page and try to search a Google Files. In this case I using Google Files, and go to your downloads a folder, and this is the APK. So you can install this APK application. Just tap this app, tap to install, and wait for a moment, and then Eggball Pool was installed. This one, the application is ready to use. So thank you for watching. Please feel free to try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.